Hey guys, what's up? It's Leisha. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am doing a hair review. I know I don't do these very often on my channel because typically I like to wear my own natural hair out, but lately I've been wanting to give my hair a break, and what better way than to protect your hair with curly extensions. I love curly extensions. It doesn't matter if it's winter, if it's summer, I'll wear curly extensions because it looks so natural, and I just love curly voluminous hair over straight hair pretty much any day. Today I'm trying out the Better Length Afro Kinky Curly new U-part wig. They just came out with the U-part wig and I'm so excited to finally go ahead and try it out. I have been looking into U-part wigs because although I do love a full wig, I love the natural and realistic look of a U-part. Like, it just looks so much more seamless and natural. So I decided to go ahead and give the Kinky Curly or the Afro Kinky Curly U-part wig a try. This is an 18-inch Afro Kinky Curly U-part wig, so it's pretty long and super duper full. I decided to go with the Afro Kinky Curly texture because the Afro Kinky Curly texture is supposed to mimic 3C 4A-ish hair, but they also have a looser texture, which is the Kinky Curly texture, and that one mimics 3C hair, and then they have a coilier texture which mimics 4B 4C hair. So they have a texture for everybody out there, but naturally for me, I am a 3C 4A texture, so I figured that the Afro Kinky Curly texture would mimic my natural hair the best. Before I get into the actual review of the hair, I wanted to quickly show you guys me unboxing the hair and how I washed the hair and styled it myself. So let's go ahead and jump into that. So the hair comes in a black box with a cute little bow, and in the box is the U-part wig, a baggie with the needle and thread, and then 2 extra clips. The Afro Kinky Curly texture was super realistic looking and felt soft and full, and I loved how the U was pretty small, so that means very little leave out. I always wash out my extensions before wearing them, so that is what I'm just doing here. First, I run warm water through the hair to get the hair nice and damp. Next, I use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore shampoo to help shampoo the hair. This helps to remove any dirt, buildup, or chemicals that may be on the hair. I love the shampoo because it has apple cider vinegar, so it really gets my extensions nice and clean. After that, I just rinse all that shampoo out with warm water before moving on to the conditioner. For my conditioner, I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner. This conditioner adds moisture back to the hair and makes it much easier to finger detangle. I stick to finger detangling my extensions for the most part because it doesn't disturb the curl and prevents unnecessary shedding. Once I'm done, I rinse out the conditioner with cold water to help seal in the moisture, and then let the U-part wig air dry overnight. Also, I did receive quite a lot of shedding while detangling, which caught me off guard, but the hair is pretty thick, so that could be why, but I will definitely keep an eye out for the next time I wash my hair and let you guys know if it's still shedding that much. Now my hair is currently in twists. I just have a small U left out for the U-part wig, and the rest of my hair is twisted and pulled into a ponytail in the back. Super easy peasy. As you guys can see, the U-part wig air dried nicely and the curls are gorgeous and defined even without product. Oh, and I forgot to mention earlier, but there are combs, clips, and adjustable straps sewed on the U-part wig to make it fit nice and secure. So after I cut off the band around the U where the leave out should be, I simply just place the U-part wig where I want it to be and then secure it by adjusting the straps and clipping the U-part wig onto my head. Before I take down my leave out, I wanted to do some light trimming to help the U-part wig frame my face a little better. So I'm just taking my hair scissors and giving the hair some layers just to add a bit more volume. The last step is just to take down the twist where my leave out is and blend my leave out with the U-part wig. And the easiest way for me to do that is to twirl pieces of my hair with the extension so that way it looks much more uniformed and seamless. Once I'm done blending, these are the results. I love it. I love how natural it looks and how realistic it looks. This is definitely a great protective style. I have been rocking this hair now for a few days, so this will be an initial review, but I will say that I am loving it so far. I will admit at first the shedding caught me off guard because it was a lot of shedding, but I thought about it and realized that this is so much hair in the U part, which is why there probably was so much shedding, is because there is so much hair. And of course, with curly hair, you get more shedding than straight hair. So I took that into account and figured that was probably why there was so much shedding. But I will say, after I washed and detangled my hair, I have not received any extra shedding at all. Also, I just love the texture. The texture is so realistic. It matches 3C4A curls perfectly. And I'm just so surprised at how well my curls match with the curls on the U-part wig. Like, it looks so bomb. People have already stopped me and complimented me on my hair, thinking that it's my natural hair, but it's not. And having some leave out definitely helps to make it look even more natural, which is why I love U-part wigs so much. Even though it is a little bit more maintenance than a full wig, I don't care. Like, it's worth it sometimes to me because it just looks so much more natural. It gives the illusion of a sew-in, but it's not a sew-in. I can just take this U-part out any day of the week, wash my hair, put it back on, a few days later, take it off, wash my hair. It's so easy and convenient. And I can always go back to my natural hair and take care of my natural hair underneath, which is why I love the most about having a wig or U-part wig in general. As you guys saw earlier, I did go in and shape up my hair, but the hair actually was super full and had kind of a layered effect already. So I didn't really have to do much cutting or trimming at all. It was just full and voluminous already. And it had that natural, kind of like a bowl cut that I like to have with my curly hair. Overall, I am happy with the results so far. So like I mentioned earlier, I will come back in a few weeks and give you guys the final update. But so far, I'm loving it and I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. If you all are interested in giving this U-part wig a try, I have a coupon code down below for a few bucks off of your purchase. And there is also a link that will show you exactly where to go to get this exact unit. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful. If you all have any other questions, go ahead and comment them down below. As always, I love you guys. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.